Okay, this is the unit all done up. You see, a perfect unit, nice and level. You can see how the curb's done. The sheet metal. So the sheet metal's tucked in. The curb's riding over. Right here. The sheet metal's tucked in underneath for no leaks. All the way around. See, our disconnect worked out perfect. Electrical came in. There's where it goes into the unit. Back out. Here's the curb coming down here. All the way around. Condensate drain. Gas line comes down here. Put a shut off in. If you ever need to shut that off. There we go there. Over and